So I took some testors semi-gloss. I have flat testors. I have flat black. I haven't used the flat black yet. I took the semi-gloss. I used this, and then took the skewer from the cotton swab. I split it. I broke the skewer. Used this end to applicate the dots on the VU music knobs. I took this and I put them on the right side. They're all consistent. And as you can see, I took the string, pulled all the knobs off, cleaned them with soap, then used IPA. I poured IPA in here, sealed this off tightly, very tightly. Took some isopropyl alcohol, cleaned them, got all the oil off of them, and then painted them like this. Hopefully this will work, and if it does, it will be very strong. So that is that. I bought some industrial grade skewer. Oh dear Jesus. Nah. Listen. Yeah, I just fell. But at least I could do it right now.